So we finally wrapped up here. I can't be 100% honest in this location about how today went. So I'm going to zip back to the Airbnb. For me, it's going to take an hour. For you, it's going to take 1 second. Yeah, I know. The moment I went to the bathroom. Our models have arrived.
Final preparations here, first day. Star Diamond. One of the coolest super yachts around. Brand new.
Got all the gear here. We got primary camera. We got the models oats. We stole the models oats.
Step 2, wear the team shirt. Step 3.
Alberto without the team shirt. There he is. It's day 1 of the Star Diamond yacht shoot, 2-day shoot. We got gear set up. We just came aboard. Giant boat over here. We got a gimbal. We got a drone. We got another gimbal over here. We got Alberto. We got I don't know where my photo camera is. Somewhere downstairs. 6 models, stylists, hair people, makeup, all that. I think we're doing all the interiors right now. I'm not sure if we're going off the dock today because we're doing all the lifestyle stuff tomorrow. So it's really weather dependent, but it's pretty sunny. I don't know. We'll see.
Cinematic mode. I'm not going to show you how we do our secrets here. I'm not going to show you the secrets. But Mr. Lee with the shirt off, boy. Let's get that shirt on, man. There's the behind the scenes. Amazing styling team. Yeah. There's Maria, Jacqueline. Looking great.
I didn't know.
You don't see this on Below Deck. This is the real shit. So we finally wrapped up here. I can't be 100% honest in this location about how today went. So I'm gonna zip back to the Airbnb. For me, it's gonna take an hour. For you, it's gonna take 1 second. All right, we're back here at the Airbnb. It's nice AC. We had a very calm day. It was a very efficient day, accomplished many things.
There's a word called time management and micromanagement.
I think we may have gotten 3 or 4 scenes in the entire day.
It's like, oh my god, the steak, oh my god.
It's like, you gonna hit that? You can hit that steak?
Hit that steak.
Yeah, I left a little too hard when you
I
said that.
think they had to smoke something, like, right? They were smoking something for sure. I hope so, because like this just Phil. The steak was so good. Like, we get it. It was a good steak. I agree. Yes.
We've completed a few scenes this morning, a lot of lifestyle stuff. We just finished all the water toys, Sea Bob's jet skis, paddle boards, drone FPV. Also very cool, we have the island over here. Blanking out on the guy's name right now, Canadian guy. But it's a big $50 million estate, so I sent the drone out there flying around the temples and the ruins. Pretty cool stuff. Right now we are waiting for the beach setup to be all done, and then we are gonna zip over there with the tender and get some beach lifestyle stuff. We should be done with the daytime stuff for that, and then we're gonna be doing a lot of interior stuff. Hopefully not as long as a day as yesterday, which was quite long. This is a wrap for this second boat charter shoot out here in the Bahamas. We got Alberto over here finishing the last few shots. Bernie's still directing from somewhere down there. Got beautiful light coming in. We actually got one more scene, but I'm not going to put this in the vlog because I'd rather just close it off right here. It's been a little bit ups and downs on the second shoot. First boat was probably a little bit smoother, but overall we got some dope footage. Any last words here from Mr. Botobia?
Yeah, go get that shot, bro.
Go get that shot, bro. That's, words for life. So, see you guys in the next episode.